Hello everybody, my name is Melissa. This is my mother.
Hello.
We're going to be doing the follow someone else's makeup tutorial challenge, except for my mom is going to be doing it on me, and we're going to be following a Nikkie Tutorials video. So let's see how this goes. Also, I'm going to be eating a sandwich while we do this because I'm hungry. Okay, let's get into it.
And making it look flawless till the end of the day. So I like to take just a tiny bit of this. You definitely don't need a lot.
She's using this primer from Dermatologica. Wait, why is it sounding? Dermatologist. No, Dermatologica.
Huh?
Okay, whatever. She's using this primer. It's a redness relief primer.
Tap it into the skin, tap, and it creates that blurry filter.
So she's tapping it into the skin.
They become super matte, which is a good thing because that will keep your makeup on longer. It looks
See, she's tapping it in.
It looks like there's a filter on top of it.
So we're using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation.
And I think it's fun, full coverage from your product to tap that sponge onto the skin. Because my forehead has been a problem area, but I woke up this morning and it cleared up a lot, so I was like, okay, this is a good makeup day.
I was Skyping Sam earlier and we were playing an iPhone game, and it was like a game where you guessed what each other drew, and she was taking so long on her turn, and it was just so quiet because she was so focused that I fell asleep.
Who?
With Sam. Sam is my cousin. She freaking, because she was like, I was like, oh my god, I'm sorry I fell asleep. I was waiting for you to say something. Were you not talking? Why was it so quiet? And she was like, no, I wasn't saying anything. I was too focused. I was like, oh my god, how long did I sleep for? Because I was already like dreaming and everything. She was like, oh, only like 5 minutes. But when I woke up, she was like, no, she texted me. She's like, good night, LOL.
The e.l.f. Flawless.
So now she has her concealer. So you have to do what she's doing. Heads up, guys, I don't have lighter concealer, so it's not quite the same, but. Oh, now she's blending it
I always
out.
start tapping the bottom of the concealer. Make sure that everything that's like sort of on my cheeks is blended to perfection.
Gee, that's the beauty of makeup, huh?
Filter powder and butter.
What is that?
Setting powder. We're just gonna use some of this Kat Von D translucent setting powder. I don't have a sponge like that though. Or maybe it works in here. Oh no, it's fucked up. Zaki's one in here. Looks like this. I use it for like a zombie makeup. I think you just have to use this.
That's not much. I don't have much.
You just have to really get the product on it. Like,
It's gonna be gone.
it's okay. Just use it up. I don't care.
So let's start it off. Let's Optimus Prime.
So she's priming the eyelid. And I have this. I haven't the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I haven't used it in a really long time though, so it might be kind of dry.
Yeah.
Or maybe put it like this. I think it's too dry. I should just throw this away. Or maybe you can just blend it out with the sponge. Okay. Are you having fun?
So far.
What we're dipping into today is by ColourPop and Becky G. This is Salvaje. And I'm going in with this color right here. And that is...
I'm gonna use my Morphe palette. This just has a bunch of brown shades, so I'm sure you can find something similar to what she's using.
Mellow. And with this, we're gonna build our structure. I pick up that color.
Okay, oh, I have a brush just like that. Okay, my brush is dirty, but she's using this brush. Okay.
I look straight into my mirror and I place that color on the outside of my crease.
Like that?
She said on top of the crease. Oh, maybe I should open my eye.
And I go above where my natural crease is, and I start stamping in that color. Now, like I said, this look is very sculpted, so I'm also bringing it onto the lid and blending it in towards the eye, more towards the lash line for a smoky liner look. Then I go the best angle for like a winged out sculpted shape like this is by just following the waterline, so like right there.
Good. Okay.
Corner down, it is time to build more structure in your crease. So just using soft circular motions, I'm barely touching the skin. And see, we're going in scary.
I just realized she didn't do her eyebrows. So she did her eyebrows off camera, and I just realized that. And before we moved on with that tutorial, I want to do the eyebrows just like how she did, but I could do it myself, but I want my mom's to do it. So I pulled up a different tutorial for
I'm
eyebrows.
using the color taupe. So the first thing I always like to do is brush all my brow hairs down.
Down?
Yeah.
Like that?
So yeah, she said so that you can see where the line is.
So with my brow wiz, I just start defining the top of my brow.
Okay, I don't have any brow pencils, so everything she uses will just have to be this lip brow from Anastasia.
I brush all my brow hairs back up. And just neaten it up a little bit. So again, with my brow wiz, I'm just following the brow.
Good.
And the closer you get to the front of your brow, the softer you want to use the brow wiz. I'm tapping it in and then filling in between the lines. I'm now going in with brow gels. The first one I'm using is by Tarte, and this is the Amazonian Clay Tinted Brow Gel in taupe, and it has a really tiny, teeny brush. So with the brow gel, I just coat the front hairs of my brow. Then for the remainder of my brow, I take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and that will fudge up your outline, and that will make it look less neat. Out the bottom of my brow, and I can really shape it with that also. I use most concealer right underneath my arch, and then the further I go to the sides, the less concealer I use.
Oh, that's the...
And then fill in any more blank spots of the brow. Draw in a couple of hairs at the front of my brow.
Back to the original tutorial, this one.
So basically the shape is like going out like a cat shape, into the crease, up to that brow, down towards this portion here. Does that make any sense? The most scary part is getting it into that brow. I'm blending into my brow and bringing it towards this nose line, we call it here. Circles into the front of the brow, brushing downwards. Do the magic. And I'm placing that brush flat against my skin. And from that sort of structure, you want to kind of stretch above it to create your fade.
I don't have that kind of brush, so I'm using a bit fluffier brush.
Tapping it on.
She's tapping it on.
Getting the drama. light, sort of like really like beigey light shade. Just setting that portion that we haven't really done much with yet. With this shade, you can go all the way up and kind of reinforce the contrast between light and dark. Stepping it on to where I would normally apply a liquid liner, so onto the lash line. For the lower lash, I take Caramello and I just stamp it on lashes and bottom mascara, and I'll be right back.
We have to put mascara and then you put my eyelashes on. Eyelashes.
Pretty.
Yeah, dark skin
Using
divas.
this tart bronzer.
So a lot of the warmth, the cheeks, but keep it high up, baby. Feel about the in-depth sort of makeup tutorial that I'm doing today. A contoured perfected nose in this look is vital. So I take my brush that has my bronzer and I just kind of scratch it over it to give myself that warmth. I just focus on getting that color and that shape first, and I take a fluffy brush and I just connect that inner portion of the eye to the nose. And carve out the sides and the top to give it shape. And apply red here on the bridge. So I take a big face brush and I kind of dust away the edges without all the fuss, without like drawing lines and blending out the lines. It's a quick way. Going in with a whisper of MAC's blush.
And the chin?
And of course, I'm going to do the tip of my nose. I always pull my lip in like this, like huh, and then I just kind of create the McDonald's sign on my cute as well.
Wait.
Over.
Oh, bro, so
I
hard.
cannot see it.
That one hurts. Wait, use it at a different angle. You're poking me right here at this. Use it like this.
I'm just gonna frame the lip. Beauty nude lipstick in number 1. You want this to be nude, honey. Stay below it and sort of just like sitting there. So blend this in with the contours you just applied to those lips. And oh, do you see the fantasy coming along?
That's it? Hey, look at you. You look so pretty.
Oh, that's not bad. That looks cute. The eyeshadow on this side.
How's my makeup?
I think that the left eyeshadow looks good.
Well, I'm not wearing my glasses too, that's why.
Oh yeah. The right side, the right eyeshadow is okay. But then like the face makeup looks good. The eyelashes are the eyelashes, the left one was on really good, but the right one is kind of off. But it's okay. I think it's good. My mom says she's dizzy. Alright guys, so this is the look that my mama did.
Yay.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. If you have any video requests, go ahead and comment down below. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye!